Here's a sweet, quick tip. Want to know how to connect your AirPods to a PC? It is a simple process, and I am about to guide you through each step. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Follow me at CyberGuy.com, where my newsletter is free with great tips like this. Now, first things first, let's make sure your AirPods are in their charging case and that they have at least some charge on them. Open the top of the case, but don't take out the AirPods just yet. Next, tap and hold the circular button on the back of the case for a few seconds until the light on the outside of the case blinks white. This means your AirPods are in pairing mode. Now let's move to your PC. You can search for Bluetooth in your taskbar and select Bluetooth and other device settings. In the Bluetooth settings, click Add Bluetooth or other devices at the top of the screen. And on the Add a Device page, click the top option for Bluetooth. Your PC is going to start searching for nearby Bluetooth devices, and when you see your AirPods in the list, click on them to connect, and that is it. How sweet and easy is that? Your AirPods are now connected to your PC. More cool tricks like this at CyberGuy.com. Are you getting my newsletter? It's free. Just open a browser, type in CyberGuy.com, and press the red button.